When it comes to making an offer on a property here in the New York City market, there's no specific formula, but there is a strategy. As agents in one of the most competitive markets in the country, what we're going to start with first all comes down to pricing of the target property.
We analyze comparable sales in the neighborhood or in the building. We look at what similar units have sold for recently, for how long they sat on the market, and how they compare in size, condition, and other features.
We'll also focus on the condition of the property. Is it turnkey or is it in need of a renovation? Has the owner already done some upgrades, and are those upgrades dated already? These are all factors that we'll focus on when determining the value of that property.
Let's look at your timeline. How flexible are you? If you're working with great agents and you're already prepared, you can offer a quick close, which can be very appealing to a seller. Perhaps a seller wants to finish out a school year or get into the next tax year. Being flexible is to your advantage.
At the end of the day, the goal is to avoid the struggle and get the best deal possible for your situation. It's more about being strategic versus being reactive.
And remember, every offer tells a story. It reflects your seriousness, your leverage, and your understanding of the market. A serious offer based on data and fact will go further.
So when making an offer on a property here in New York City, don't just guess, strategize. With the right agents and the right insights, you're not just buying a property, you're making a smart move.